Here I have a little mini TV here. It's a LG, and I do see the power light come on right here. That's the power standby light. But when I turn it on, the standby light goes away, and then it just remains a black screen. So, what in the world's going on? Good question. I have no idea. Could be a backlight issue or something, but we have to remove all the screws here. It's a LG-19LG30. Okay, so this older version is an LCD TV. So the front frame it flips up. There's a little connector here. Alright. So I'm thinking it's the backlights here. It basically goes through this inverter, and then it goes through high voltage to here. So it looks like on the main power board, looks like these caps are bad. They're kind of bulging. They're 1,000 microfarads, 25 volts. They all look kind of worn out. We'll see. And on this board too, that looks like that this chip also has some sort of corrosion. That could be an issue too. After swapping out those capacitors, it did turn on and it went blue down there. So Seems to be working now.